This video itself is kind of clickbait because this doesn't only apply to MrBeast, this applies to anyone that is wildly successful within their endeavor. Whatever it is, whether it's arts, business, entrepreneurship, content creation, it doesn't matter. Now let's take MrBeast as an example because that's the reason you clicked on this video. Now what makes MrBeast the outwardly success that he is the purity of his endeavor. Why do I say that? What does that mean? The purity of his endeavor is simply the way in which he goes about making YouTube content. He's not making YouTube content for the sake of getting some sort of benefit that is involved within it. He doesn't do it for the girls that are gonna come with it. He doesn't go for the money. He doesn't do it for any other reason except for making YouTube content itself.
I just couldn't hold a conversation with a single person because people would just tell me all you talk about is YouTube, and I would try to talk about something else, but back then I was so hyper obsessed and I literally just didn't know how to.
But what were you obsessed about? Were you obsessed about other channels, your channel?
Everything from like learning how to editing, the pacing of the videos, like ideas, what's going viral, what's trending, what's hot. Especially back then I had no idea what would work.
Do you get it? He's making YouTube videos for the sake of making YouTube videos, not for what's gonna happen to him as an effect based off the YouTube videos that he makes.
That you invest so much money into
all
the
the
show.
money I make. I don't. Why do I need money? I think living your life chasing like a nicer car and a bigger and bigger box to live in is kind of like a dumb way to go about life.
This is really important. And I'm not saying there is any right or wrong way to go about this. I'm not saying that if you make YouTube videos because you want to get the girls or because you want to make money or because of any other reason, that is wrong. I'm not saying that. I don't believe the universe has any rule involved within doing things for the right reason or for the wrong reason. I don't believe there is any such thing. What I do believe is that something happens when someone does something for the sake of doing that thing. And that is any fear, any anxiety that's correlated to losing the pleasures that the person is seeking gets removed. So what most people do when it comes to approaching a specific goal that they have is they say, you know what, I want to make YouTube videos because I want to have my group of friends that are cool, that are YouTubers. Or I want to make YouTube videos because I want to get girls that are beautiful and they're gonna look at my videos and they're gonna be like, oh, he's so successful, I want him. Or they make YouTube videos and say, I want to make YouTube videos because I want to make money. And I'm not saying any of this is wrong. What I'm saying is, as you're gonna be focused on making YouTube videos, you're gonna be focusing on the possibility of losing the pleasures that you're seeking. And this makes the endeavor itself impure. That is, unless you are really sincere regarding your motivation in the first place.
Yeah, no, I like helping people. I've always even when I, didn't have much money, if I had money in my wallet, I'd just give it away to like homeless people and stuff, which sounds fake. I don't know how to prove it to people, but I will say my overarching goal in life is to make a lot of money and then before I die, give it away. It's what I want to do.
That degree of sincerity, that degree of saying, this is the reason why I'm doing things, and the sanctity of doing the thing for the sake of doing the thing makes you able to tap into a skill set that you wouldn't be able to tap otherwise. And that is what I believe is going on with MrBeast himself. And this applies to Elon, this applies to anyone that has made it in a really significant and tangible way within their endeavors, whatever that is. The problem for anyone that doesn't have purity within their endeavor is that they're gonna focus on the pleasures that they're trying to get, that they're trying to benefit from based on the thing that they're doing. And focusing on the pleasures is a direct path towards anxiety and fear. Because any moment that you don't have those pleasures, you're gonna doubt yourself and you're gonna be like, well, do I really want them? Are they really important enough for me? Compare that with someone like MrBeast when he's making videos at 12, 13, 14 years old in his room in North Carolina. The way that he's gonna show up when making content is going to be from a place of completeness. There is nothing else that he needs to achieve. Even if he doesn't actually get subscribers, even if he doesn't make money, even if he doesn't get any pleasure of the pleasures that come with it, he's okay with it. And the reason for that is because he's making videos for the sake of making videos, not for any other reason. And obviously, this does not mean that he's not gonna try to get famous. It doesn't mean that he's not gonna try to make money. But that's not his singular point of focus as he's doing the thing itself. And yeah, that's it. I feel like I hopefully managed to bring the message across. And if I didn't, that's totally fine. I don't really mind that. I think people that are gonna receive this message are people that are sincere within their desire of understanding what makes people like MrBeast or Elon the way they are. And sincerity is what I believe to be really the single element that makes someone tap into doing the thing for the sake of doing the thing. Just the sincerity of your endeavor and the sincerity with which you see yourself as you make things. So yeah, there is no formula, there is no method that I can give you on how to be sincere. That would be pretty funny. It just goes down to being sincere on your side. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video.